Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we shall be looking at reflections. So reflection is a kind of transformation which we use to reflect a certain shape or graph over the given reflection line. So for example, in this question 1 you are asked to reflect the shape using the dotted red line as a mirror line. So what do we do in this case? We have our graph, so what we have to do is to look at the distance of each point from the mirror line, and we do the same thing across the mirror line. So what do I mean by that? So this first point here to the mirror line is only one step away, so we do the same one step to get the mirror point. One step to get the mirror point. Then the second point is right here, which is 2 steps away from the mirror line. So we make 2 jump away from the mirror line to get that. So once we are able to join those 2 points, then it will be easy for us to get the rest of the shape. So this is 1 2 3 4 spaces. So this will be 1 2 3 4, which will look like that. This is 1 away, so that will be 1 away also from the other side, and we join that, and that is the mirror of the shape. Hope that makes sense. The second one, reflect the shape in the mirror line. So that is quite easy. All I have to do is to look at it the way I see it. So this will go this way, this will go straight down up to that point, and that. Easy. Question 3 also. I can see this red dot is 2 steps away from the mirror line. So I will do the same thing here by drawing the same 2 steps away from the mirror line. So I will go the opposite way. I will go up 1 point and I will join it back. There we go. So in this exercise, in this question 4, a rectangle A has been reflected and the image labeled B. Draw the mirror line on the grid. So that is easy. All we have to do is to calculate the spaces between them, which I can see here is 6 squares away from each other. So half of 6 is 3, so that means the mirror line is going to be right here. Make sense? Next, reflect triangle A in the x-axis. So when you're asked to reflect over the x-axis, it means the x-axis is the mirror line. So which is this? The x-axis itself is the mirror line, and that means the mirror of this shape is going to be right above here. I hope that makes sense. The same way, reflect the triangle in the line y equals to -1. So first we have to draw the line y equals to -1, which is this line right here. That is the line y equals to -1. So the reflection of this shape is going to look like this. I hope that makes sense. And this is going to be B. Reflect shape A in the line x equals to 4. So the line x equals to 4 is going to look like this. So that will be the line x equals to 4. And the mirror of that shape is going to look something like this. Don't mind my shape, trying to draw it as smooth as possible. So there we go. So that will be the mirror of the shape, and this would be B. reflect the shape A in the line y equals to 3. So pause this video for a moment and attempt this by yourself. Alright, so now let's try to solve it. So the line y equals to 3 is going to look like this. This will be the line y equals to 3. And this shape is going to look something like this. So start from here, go all the way down, go this way, come back up, and join it together. That's it. And this is B. Reflect the rectangle in the line y equals to x. So pause this video for a moment and try to solve this by yourself. Alright, welcome back. So the line y equals to x simply means when x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, y is 1. When x is 2, y is 2, and so on like that. So that will be this line right here. So that is the line y equals to x. So the reflections of this rectangle is going to look like this. So across the line, the point A is going to be right here. The point D is going to be right here across the line. I hope you can see that across the line. Same with B, it's going to be like this across the line. It's going to be right here. And C is going to be right here across the line. If you look at it closely, you can see it across the line. So now we can join it together. So that will be the shape, the reflection of the shape. I hope that makes sense. Reflect the triangle in the line y equals to negative x. Pause this video for a moment and try to solve this by yourself. Alright, welcome back. So y equals to negative x means, for example, when x is 1, y is negative 1, which is right here. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, when x is minus 1, y is 1. So it goes that way. So that means this line is going to be this way. So now let's reflect it. So I believe it's going to be this way, just like we did in the last exercise. So that point is going to be right here, goes all the way down, then this goes back up, and this comes back here. So that will be the reflection, and call this B. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. So without doubt, this is going to be the line of reflection. The x-axis is going to be the line of reflection. So that means that triangle B is a reflection of triangle A over the x-axis. Hope that makes sense. Question 12. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. Pause this video for a moment and try to solve this question by yourself. Alright, welcome back. So first we need to find the line of reflection. So in this case, the distance from A to B is 5, and if you're trying to find half of that, that will be 2.5. So 2.5 from A is going to be right about A, about this point A. So this will be the line of reflection. So the line of reflection is the line x equals to half. So we say that triangle B is a reflection triangle B is the reflection triangle B is the reflection of triangle A over the line x equals to half. Hope that makes sense. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. So without doubt, the line of transformation is the line y equals to x. This point right here. So we say that triangle B, or we can say that triangle A is reflected over the line y equals to x to form triangle B. Hope that makes sense.